Hi, I'm Lawrence Ginto, mentee ni Mentor Mike. So, why take the mentoring class? So, lahat naman tayo bago mag-mentoring class is nakapag-take na ng beginner, intermediate, pati na rin yung mga master classes. Pero, mentoring is to furnish the learnings ng mga natutunan nating concepts is nagkakaroon ng linaw and purpose. Tapos meron tayong additional eyes to help us see our blind spots. Kasi obviously, we can't see our own blind spots, kaya nandyan yung mentor natin to help us see that. Tapos merong experienced inputs itong mga mentor natin kasi mas matindi na yung mga napagdaanan nilang iba-ibang trading life cycle setups and strategies. Tapos, marirecommend ko talaga yung Miranda Minor Profitable System kasi it not only concentrates on technical analysis, but nabibigyan din ng emphasis yung fundamental analysis, pati na rin yung psychological aspects of trading, like yung trading mindset, ika nga. The system has structure din na may interconnected parts na magkakakonect sa isa't isa. Hindi yung nagbibigay lang sila ng charting techniques. Itong sistema na to is may parts talaga na magkakaugnay and magkakabit-kabit sa isa't isa. Thus overall, the system not only gives you fish, but it teaches you how to fish. This ensures longevity. Hindi lang sila nagbibigay ng signals at pasok strategies, kundi yung overall holistic system na makakapag-ensure na mas matagal tayo maglalast dito sa trading na to. Tapos, sa mga nag-hesitate matuto ng crypto, ako din naman dati is nakikiride lang sa bandwagon ng trading ng crypto, pero papunta pala sa liquidation. Oo, definitely risky ang crypto trading. High risk, high return, ika nga. Pero, with the right system, the Miranda Minor system specifically, magiging instead of high risk, high return siya, managed risk, high return na. Tapos, the best time to learn crypto was probably about 6 to 7 years ago nung nag-boom talaga siya. Pero the second best time to learn crypto is now. Kaya ano pang inaantay nyo? Fortunately, naging mentor ko si Mentor Mike and sobrang swerte ko kasi hindi talaga nasasayang yung oras nyo. Dahil sa pre-work niya, yung buong session nyo is na nauubos sa Q&A at sa pag-identify ng blind spots mo. Kuwela definitely, magaan at casual lang yung session pero punong-puno pa rin ng kaalaman. So kahit na nagkukulitan kayo, hindi sayang yung oras kasi talagang pigang-piga yung utak mo pagkatapos in a good way. Tapos yung ibibigay niya sa yung secret sauce, marami ang secret na malulupit na ibibigay si Mentor Mike pero depende yan sa effort na ibibigay mo. Hindi pwedeng basta-basta ka lang magtanong. Hindi niya na ibibigay basta-basta yan kasi ang ibibigay niya sa yung sikretong sangkap, depende sa niluluto mo. Kaya galingan mo magluto. Marami akong unforgettable monuments kay Mentor Mike. Pero siguro na summarize ko sila sa 5 major na learnings. Number 1, the trading life cycle ensures that anyone can have a trading setup anytime. Kahit kailan ka pumasok, meron yung setup just with the varying strategies applicable depende kung saang stage ka nakapasok. Number 2, isa, dalawa, tatlo, tatay mo kalbo is not just a kid's rhyme. You know when you know. Number 3, the claw is not just applicable to Kawhi Leonard. Isa pa yan. You know when you know. Number 4, every support and resistance line should be plotted with a purpose. Hindi yung basta-basta ka na naglalagay ng support or resistance porket nakapaglagay ka ng linya, dapat may purpose yan. Number 5, entering or executing trades is the easiest part. Setting the mission, plotting your strategy is 90% of an effective trading strategy. So, with the right setup, yung mission impossible, pwedeng maging mission possible. So, definitely marirecommend ko talaga si Mentor Magic Mike. Kasi besides sa mga kaalaman niya, pati sa mga sikretong malulupit, isisiguraduhin niya talagang masasagad yung utak mo every session. Kumbaga maaalala mo talaga every session kasi talagang didikdikin niya yung pag-iisip mo, hindi niya ibibigay yung sagot sa iyo basta-basta, kailangan ikaw ang magbigay ng sagot. Tas definitely genuine na tao si Mentor Mike. Hindi ko naramdaman na mentor-mentee lang kami or teacher-student relationship kind of na interaction. Talagang ramdam ko talaga yung pagmamalasakit niya. Tapos, pinaka-importante is hindi nagtatapos yung mentor-mentee relationship nyo after ng 4th session. Kasi after that, the line of communication with Mentor Mike is really open. And up to this day is talagang open pa rin yung communication line nyo with him. And talagang hindi matatapos doon sa last session nyo. So, ano pang inaantay nyo? Mag-enroll na kayo sa Miranda Minor System. I highly suggest the Elite University route kasi it's set up to be in that way para ma-maximize nyo yung learning experiences until the last stage. And it ensures longevity, as I mentioned earlier, ng ating trading. So, good luck mga kamiranda and hope to see you.